Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to today's video.
I'm just going to change the tyre on the Caravan. I've noticed over the last few weeks that it's just not wearing right. So I'm just going to take the spare off the back and swap it out. So I've got the spare off the back now, and I'm just going to crack these wheel nuts on this one before I jack it up, just so it's a bit easier. Now that I've got all them cracked, I'm just going to jump under and jack this wheel up. Righto, I've got that all jacked up now. I'll just take this wheel off. Righto, got all the wheel nuts undone. I'll just take this tyre off. Put this new one on. Righto, so I've got that spare wheel on now. I'll just do all the wheel nuts up and let the jack down. Alright, now that tyre's on and it's all just nipped up firmly, I'll just let the jack down before I re-tension them up. Alright, and that's all done. I'll just re-tension them in a couple of days after a little bit of driving. Just yeah, go back through and check them all, and yeah, once we get into town I'll get that other one that I took off sorted, get a new one put on it. Hooroo. Oh, thanks for watching the little video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment and let me know what I did wrong or what I did right. So, cheers.